My land, Tibet, blue sky on white stone. Yak bells wake the road while the wind takes my name. Prayer flags on the pass flicker red, green, gold. Every step I know comes back to this home. Hear the mountain call, hear the old songs rise. I was made for this under open skies. My land, Tibet, I carry you. My land, Tibet, in all I do. High above the clouds, you still pull through. My land, Tibet, I'm proud of you. Morning on the plain, tea steam in a cup, hands around the fire, we still lift each other up. Footprints in the snow lead me through the years. Every broken mile still brings me here. Hear the mountain call, hear the old songs rise. I was made for this under open skies. My land, Tibet, I'm proud of you. My land, Tibet, in all I do. High above the clouds, you still pull through. My land, Tibet, I'm proud of you. Let the cold be kind, let the road be long. I will walk it whole with your name in song. My land, Tibet, I carry you. My land, Tibet, in all I do. High above the clouds, you still pull through. My land, Tibet, I'm proud of you. My land, Tibet, forever true.